Good morning and welcome to another episode of Pi Tou's Thai Kitchen. Now today is Chinese New Year. So, 恭喜发财,恭喜发财,新家如意,新年发财, and happy Chinese New Year to everyone else. So today we've got red curry, Gaeng Daeng. So this is a great curry, spicy, pungent, full of flavor, full of crunchy vegetables, textures. It's great. And we're going to show you how to make this from scratch. So we're going to show you how to make the curry paste. And what we're going to do is you're going to keep half of the curry paste for today. And then next week, we're going to show you how to use that curry paste to cook another dish. If that sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around.
Good morning, welcome to Pi Tou Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make red Thai chicken curry with the homemade curry paste. And the ingredient, show you ingredient. 1 tablespoon of galangal, 3 tablespoons of lemongrass, about 10 cloves of garlic, 2 pieces of carrot, half spoon of kaffir lamb skin, and 1 teaspoon of shrimp paste. With the chicken breast, about 300 grams today. And the vegetable we use Thai aubergine and Thai pea aubergine, and 10 grams of dry chili. But if easy to crush it, you don't forget to soak in the water about 20 minutes. And this one can of coconut milk, Thai sweet chili, and sweet basil. This one last for decoration. Make the paste with the mortar stone, galangal, lemongrass, and kaffir lamb skin. Okay, and I put a little bit of salt. Yeah, easy to press it. Just a little bit, a pinch. Yeah. You can see this one very fine. Yeah, you put garlic and shallot, but don't put in the big one. Yeah, you slice first. Slice into small pieces. Okay, and then you put shrimp paste and chili. I think this one good enough, fine enough, very fine now. This curry paste we use only half, and the other half we cook something else for tomorrow. Then you can follow next video what we're going to cook with the same curry paste. Okay, we cut aubergine. Soak in the water. If not, aubergine turn to dark color. We fry curry paste with cooking oil. Just a little bit of cooking oil. But use only half of this curry paste. You fry until you smell this one about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Medium heat. I put to gas to high. Curry paste burn. When you smell the curry paste, nice smell. Put a little bit of coconut milk in there, just a little bit, and then fry it in the curry paste. Keep on stirring. Okay. After that, after 5-10 minutes, put the chicken. Add a little bit coconut milk. Then you fry about 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes until the chicken has cooked. Fish sauce, fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. One tablespoon of coconut sugar. Add a little bit of coconut milk. If you see quite thick, you can add some water. You can add a little bit of water. Finish the coconut milk. Okay. When you look at the taste you like, yeah, last, then put aubergine. Yeah, that's it. Okay, when this one boil, right? Then you off the gas. Sweet basil and sweet chili last. Okay. Ready to serve.
it is food tasting time. Yes. Good. Look at this. It looks scrumptious. Oh wow. Oh, that's good. Creamy, spicy, and of course the peat aubergines and the Thai aubergines really just take it to that next level. Wow, wow, it's really good. Another classic dish from Chef Pi Tou. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget, keep the other half for Tuesday. It's a really easy dish, and it's super easy because you've already got the curry paste. So it's going to be really easy. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bang that bell. Enjoy your Chinese New Year. Hope you get lots of ang pao, lai si, hong bao, whatever you want to call it. And take care. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe and look after each other. Take care now. Bye.